Want to start selling on Temu but not sure where to begin? In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process on how to register, verify and set up your seller account on Temu. Let's dive in and get your business started. To become a seller on Temu, you will need to join Temu as a verified seller on Pinduoduo. So head over to a new tab and type in Pinduoduo login. Now open the very first website. Open it and you will land on this kind of page. Here you have to change the language to English. Next, sign up by clicking on the option that says don't have an account yet, sign up now. Firstly, type in your phone number and set a password for your account. In the third column, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to the phone number you just entered. Then click on the option register when you are done. After you click on register, you will land on the next page where you have to complete the merchant registration. This process includes entering all your details including ID verifications. Once you complete the registration process, Temu will take about 1 week for verification approval. Once your account is approved by Temu, it will be created and you will be able to sell various products in the Temu marketplace. So this is how you can become a seller on Temu. That's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.